now in Nissi Beach, the greatest beach in Europe. Nissi is known by the beautiful turquoise water. The weather is perfect. There are about 26 degrees. The beach is not that crowded, so we will go directly into the water. I'll wait you here in this summer, Nissi Beach. If you didn't know already, Cyprus is open for traveling. It was locked a lot of time, we missed it, so now let's enjoy Cyprus, Larnaca, Ayia, Napa here in Nissi Beach. Nissi Beach is and was one of my top beaches in Europe. I love it, it's really fun here. It's my 4th time here in Cyprus and I can't get enough. We are now going on Nissi Beach Island. It is really close to the beach and I recommend you to go there for a walk. It is right over there. This is Travel and Tell No One. Hope you've liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the